Hi mga kasoldering, so for today's video, ang ipapakita po namin is sound meter Sanwa CHE-SD1. So ito po yung sound meter. Ayan po. Ayan po siya sa back.
And then may kasama siyang battery, guys. Ayan siya, guys.
So ngayon, i-unbox naman po natin siya. Ayan po siya.
Ayan siya, guys. Dito ang on and off niya. Meron siyang hold, min max, fast or slow. Ayan siya, guys. Ayan siya, guys.
Ayan po.
Ayan, guys. Sound level meter CHE-SD1.
It's a digital sound meter level designed for measuring noise levels. It is an easy-to-operate instrument that can be used in various indoor and outdoor environments, such as offices, libraries, gymnasiums, and roads and grounds. Here are the key features and functions. First is noise measuring. The primary function of the CHE-SD1 is to measure noise levels, providing a digital display for easy reading. Next is temperature measurement. In addition to noise, this device can also check the temperature while measuring noise. Next is hold function. It includes a hold function that allows for the fixed display of measured values, making it easier to record readings. Next is the backlight function. The display is equipped with a backlight, ensuring readability even in dark environments. Next is the microphone cover. A microphone cover is included to prevent wind noise from affecting measurements, enhancing accuracy. Next is the data recording. The meter can record maximum and minimum volume data. And next is the auto power off. To conserve battery life, it features an auto power off function that automatically turns off the device after a period of inactivity. And lastly, the low battery indicator. A battery level icon is displayed when the battery is low, prompting the user to replace it. So, ito po.
So, guys, tatry naman natin siya. Sobrang dali lang lagyan ng battery.
So, ito po ang battery.
So, ilalagay natin siya. So, guys, nalagay na natin yung battery. I-on natin siya. Ayan, guys. So, guys, itatry natin siya sa fan.
Sa fan. As you can see, guys. Nataas yun.
Ayan siya, guys. Kita niya nataas yung banda. Ayan, guys, nataas yung sound level meter niya. Sana baba siya. Nataas. Ayan siya. Try naman natin sa boses.
Low. Ayan, kita naman na nataas din siya sa voice.
Try mo nga ulit.
So, ito po yung sound meter
Yun.
Sanwa CHESD1.
Yun, guys.
Okay na po siya. Yun lang guys, huwag niyo po kalimutan mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel and TikTok account. Thank you!